Hey everybody, it's Lisa. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to make Dollar Tree ornament Christmas trees. From Dollar Tree you have a small willow wreath, 8 packs of ball ornaments, 7 of those are bigger and 1 is the smaller ornaments. Start your first layer of the bigger ornaments around the willow wreath. Use your hot glue gun to glue them down. And when you finish your bottom base, start building on top of that one. Keep building up your tree until all of your bigger ornaments are used up, which will take you all the way to the top of the tree. Once you've completed your tree, you should still have some of your larger ornaments left, so you want to stagger those around your tree. I wasn't originally planning to use these light bulb Christmas ornaments, but I got the idea while I was making the tree and decided to add them in. I really like the way they look. I purchased them at Walmart. So now I'm going to take the last pack of Dollar Tree ornaments, these are the small ones, and I'm going to glue them around the tree. So there's no method to this, I'm just placing them wherever they look nice. I stripped this Dollar Tree Christmas tree of its tinsel and wrapped it around the tree. I'm using that tree frame for some other project, so this is perfect because this tinsel won't go to waste. So here's what it looks like with the tinsel, and here's what it looks like without. I can't decide which I like better because I like them both quite a lot. I'm not really a tinsel person, but this year I'm finding myself liking tinsel. Maybe it's because I'm getting older. But here's the final product. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you make one too, please let me know so I can take a look.